Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to update your iPhone and wondering why iOS 27 is not showing up, then this video is for you. Today, I'll explain the most common reasons why the update may be missing and show you how to fix it. Let's get started. One of the most common reasons iOS 27 isn't showing on your iPhone is device compatibility. Apple doesn't support every iPhone model with new updates. So the first thing you should do is check whether your iPhone is eligible for iOS 27. If your device is not on Apple's supported list, the update simply won't appear. Another reason could be that your iPhone isn't connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Software updates require an internet connection, and poor connectivity can prevent your device from checking for new updates. Make sure you're connected to reliable Wi-Fi before trying again. Stored space can also be a problem. If your iPhone is running low on storage, iOS 27 may not appear or download properly. Go to Settings, then General and iPhone Storage to see how much space is available. Deleting unused apps, photos, or videos can help free up space for the update. Sometimes Apple servers become busy when a major update is released. Millions of users may be trying to download the update at the same time, causing delays. In this case, waiting a few hours and checking again is often the best solution. You should also make sure your iPhone is running the latest available version of iOS before upgrading. Installing any pending updates can help your device detect iOS 27 correctly. If none of these solutions work, try restarting your iPhone. A simple reboot can refresh system services and fix temporary software glitches that may be preventing the update from appearing. In some cases, resetting network settings can also help. This refreshes your network connections and can resolve update-related issues caused by connectivity problems. To sum it up, if iOS 27 is not showing on your iPhone, check device compatibility, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, free up storage space, install any pending updates, and restart your device. These simple steps solve the issue for most users. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips, tricks, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.